If you enjoy digital coloring or want to experiment with AI-generated coloring pages, ColoringBook.AI has an online tool that lets you do just that. With this feature, you can color directly on your device without needing to print anything. To begin, open your browser and go to the ColoringBook.AI website. If you don't have an account yet, it's best to sign up first so you can save your progress and access more features. Once you're on the home page, click on Start Free Now. You will find 4 options in top left corner. I will demonstrate how to use online coloring feature. You'll now be taken to the coloring interface, where you can choose from different AI-generated coloring pages. Browse through the available options. To find more desyncs, click on Browse all free coloring pages. Categories range from Disney, Marvel, professions, animals to holidays, very diverse. Coloring books are very helpful for children's intellectual development. They can also improve hand-eye coordination. They have collected 5,621 coloring pages, free to print. Select a design that you'd like to color. Also, you can use search. For example, I will search for mushroom. Click on the design you want to color. Then, open the design again and find the button that says Online Coloring. The drawing will then open in an interactive digital canvas. On the right side, you'll see an eraser, a brush, and a paint bucket tool that allows you to fill entire objects at once. I'll choose the paint bucket tool for this example. To select colors, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several suggested colors, but if you want more options, click on all colors to choose a different shade. You can also use the color picker or manually enter HEX or RGB color code. Now, I'll color this frog. Using the tip of the paint bucket tool, click on the shape you want to fill. And there it is, the frog is now green. Since its legs are separate shapes, I'll need to click on them individually to fill them as well. Next, I'll select the brush tool and pick a color. I want the mushroom to be red. Now, simply click and drag on the desired area to start coloring. The AI will recognize the section you're working on and prevent you from coloring outside the lines. Be creative and try blending multiple colors. I'll now color the crown in gold and then move on to the eyes. If you make a mistake, you can always use the undo option. Just click on the back arrow to undo the last step. Now, I'll continue coloring the remaining parts of the design. When using the brush tool, you can also adjust the brush size by selecting a value from the slider below. Once you're happy with your artwork, there's an option to save or download your finished coloring page. You can download your artwork as a PDF or PNG file, very useful options. This online coloring tool is great for relaxation, creativity, and even for kids who want to color without needing crayons or markers. In upcoming videos, we'll explore more ways to use ColoringBook.AI, including turning your own photos into coloring pages and generating custom illustrations. Click the link in the description to try it out for yourself.